Hi everyone, it is Catherine and I am so excited to share with you that my Little Bits box has arrived and it got in 2 days earlier than was anticipated. Now it is the 11th of July, so this box was seriously delayed. This company has been dealing with repeated delays. Hopefully that will not continue going further, but at the end of the day, I think Lay is in that transition stage where you become this really big company, but you're still relying on other suppliers and you don't yet have your own manufacturing facilities. And that's like a huge leap. And I don't know if this company will go in that direction or not, but I hope that they do, because it will allow them to continue to expand and offer new awesome products. And that's something that this company has given time and time again. There's always something new and different coming, and I will share with you in this box one of those new items. All right, so I've already cut it open, and let's just take everything out and get rid of the box, okay? I can never get the papers out of any box. Sorry. Okay. Here we go. Oops. Okay, so here we go. I am going to cover the very bottom. For those of you who are, where is my code? Where is my code? I want the digital code. It's right here. I'm covering it. Okay, it comes on the other side of this, so you'll get a cute little postcard. It's a 4x6 that you can use as a dashboard, or I just like kind of collect them. And it will have all of the contents of the box here, and then for the digitals, that's that link here, although she started emailing those to us. Now, I want to say it was about a year ago that we started getting these super cute little pen bags. And now for just pens in my handbag, I usually like something smaller. Where is it? Okay, perfect. I usually use something, yeah, so it's about half the size, but if I'm traveling, I will oftentimes take one of these just because it's double the size, so I can fit my everyday supplies plus some extra, just general planning supplies that I might wish to have with me while I'm traveling. I don't usually carry very much on me while I travel. So these I found they just work out really well for that. And they're always printed and exciting, and yeah, I just love them. And they're good for just like a number of things, cosmetics, and I have been known to like put liners and pads and stuff in there too. Lip balms and things like that. It makes it easier for me to move from bag to bag. Okay, these are dashboards. And we have that awesome silver holographic foil. And this is something that I really like, because if you struggle with building dashboards and things like this, this is just kind of a no-brainer, super easy to use, because you can just slide it right in. I don't know if you'll have to trim them up. No, you won't even need to trim them up. So you can just slide them in, and that's your dashboard good to go. That's really helpful. And it's a good way to get started if you're newer to planning, because a lot of this stuff can feel really overwhelming. It really can. So good way to go. And then I have shown ways to use these in the past, but I love that these come full printed, because it's like getting extra paper in your kit, and it's thick and sturdy. Never a bad thing. Okay, let's see. You know what? Let's just do this. This was the item that kind of just held up the whole kit. Apparently, it was misprinted, and they did not think to inform her until, like, you know, the day it was supposed to be here or something like that. So this is the washi. I'll probably just leave that on there. There's macarons. Pigwens. Okay. So that is the washi. And I hope that the light and the sound and everything is good for you guys. I am inside my photo box again. It's like 1,000,000 degrees in here. But if the lighting is better, then it's probably worth it, right? Hopefully I'm not like all echoey though. But yes, and there's always a very generous amount of washi, which is important to me as a heavy washi user. I have said that before, but it's true. I really do use quite a lot. These are washi strips, but they're like just stickers. So washi strips, and then we have the papers. 3 sheets, all double-sided. More of that print. I think this one's probably my favorite this month. Or this one. I don't know. I like both. And then we have the vellum. And every month it's a struggle. Should I take it out? Should I leave it in? Because I have a tendency to just, I don't know, apparently I can't navigate something so simple as a pocket with an adhesive closure. I don't know. Do it really fast so it doesn't catch. Okay, this is the vellum, and it is foiled, and it's silver holographic foiling. I hope the camera's picking that up. And then here is the acetate. So this is the same. That helps you. Does this one? No. It's not a repeat, so this is kind of its own thing right there. Okay, now let's open this, because this is what I was saying, this a new item. Now, some of you may already know that Lay has been putting traveler's notebooks in her kits, and this is something that's been going on for over a year now. There have been pocket, personal size, A6, and that was when they first started to be printed. And now we're getting B6 traveler's notebooks. Last month, there was a change. There was stitching around the perimeter. And this month, there's another change, and that it has pockets. So I am all about pockets. I need to have my pockets. You may or may not be a pockets person, but I most definitely am. So I am very excited about this. And let's see. Well, it's in there backwards, but that's all right. So you're getting the clear dashboard sleeves. Oh, that's a lot of paper in there. These, my son steals these from me. If you're into like art journaling and that sort of thing, these are actually really, really good for that. Like, it's a nice thick paper. So there you go. You have your dashboard to wrap around it, and we do get 2 of them, which is great. I don't like to leave them in there because they all, doesn't matter what company, it'll like crimp the edges, so I don't like to leave them in there until I'm done or ready to go. This is, I love when she does the faux fur ones. This is the charm, and what I did actually last month, I wonder if it would fit on the same way. Yep, I just put it through the bead, and I always take this part off. I don't, it's just something that I do, but if you have more than one charm, that's something you could hang it off of there. But so cute. Like, I've never seen anyone else do a charm like this, so I love that. Whoops. Everything's sliding. Okay. This is the pen. Oh, and this is fun because I know that Couture Pens has one where they're like opaque gems, but it's almost always gems, and I kind of just, I like that these are little pearls there just for variety. And I like that this is, what is that called? Like a satin finish, because it looks like a little gumball on top of it with the, like the sheen, but it is like a stylus that you could use. on your screen, which is good if you're looking to try digital planning. Oh no, my nail polish ripped. Opening all these packages today. That's all right. My nails have been growing so fast that I need to paint them again already anyway. All right, so this is a clip, and we've had just a variety of different types of clips over the years. This is actually a really nice, sturdy, like thick, sturdy fabric one. So it's going to keep its shape. It's not going to lose it. It's not going to get floppy or weird. Sticky notes with silver holographic foiling. Oh, and if you've seen like past videos where I've talked about Simply Gilded washi and that sort, can you see the like, is it focusing? This is not the type of foiling that will rub off. It's like that kind of dot. I don't know how else you would describe it, but this is the type of foiling that does not come off easily. So that's a good thing, because I have some from Simply Gilded where when you take off, yeah, when you take off, like it takes up some of the foiling, and I didn't lose any of the foiling on the underneath sheet. That's good. Okay. Love it. This is a slightly different style than I've seen in the past, but I really like it, and this is very similar to what we're going to get next month. So if you have not subscribed, I highly recommend that you do, because the spaces for that box are much more limited, and a lot of times Lay will open up more subscription spaces. Oh, is it not focusing? Okay, I'm so sorry if this has been like super blurry. I feel horrible now. But she is not going to be opening more subscription spaces this month. At least that's what she said. I don't know if that will change. A lot of months she will open up more slots and they order more, but they're not going to be doing that for next month. So if you like that sort of kawaii style, subscribe now while you have the chance. The die cut, and I have a referral link down below. I'm actually really, like, it's so dumb because I have a kit in front of me, but I'm even more excited for next month's kit because it is rather reminiscent of, I want to say it was the second or third kit they ever did, and that one is probably one of my favorites, the one with the macarons and the hot chocolate and things like that. I really, really love that kit, and you guys have actually seen artwork from that kit in my flip through video. So the coloring pages, that was from that kit. I have very little left from it, and I loved it so much. I love her florals. They're very happy florals. I can't remember her name. I'm totally blanking on it now, and it's driving me nuts. I hate it when that happens. Yeah, it needs to be time to plan on Friday. I'm usually like last second on Monday. What am I doing this week? I don't know. I don't know. I never know. Ooh, my favorite one. Or second favorite one. I don't know. I really like the macaron one. Ooh. You guys. I love it. Okay, so we have that silver holographic foiling. And she does a lot of deco stickers, which I appreciate because you might be a planner, but you might also just be like a general hobby crafter. You might make cards or do scrapbooking. So I do like that. And I like that she mixes up the box sizes because, okay, so you have the bigger standard size ones here, and then these are a little bit smaller. So there's kind of something for everyone. Oh, and there's always one sheet like this with lots and lots. So if you are someone who needs to hoard, you could just save one of each and then enjoy using all the rest. I'm really loving this new artwork. I really am. And that's something nice. She changes it up so it just doesn't become stale. I think a lot of companies, they become stuck in a rut. And It's the same thing month after month, but at least with this company, she does change it up every so often. So you're gonna get similar things. So if there's something that you loved and that's now gone, don't worry, because it's gonna come back in some form, but at the same time, it's not gonna be identical, so you don't have that been there, done that, why am I still subscribing feeling. Like next month I'm so excited about because it's reminiscent of that kit that I really loved, but it's not identical. So something to mix and match with the pieces I still have left, but it's something new and fun to enjoy. And I'm just sitting here staring at this washi. I love it. Her washi is so colorful and fun. I just love it. Okay, so that is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I do appreciate that, and don't be shy about leaving comments down below. I love to hear from all of you. All right, until next time, bye.